Here I've got HUAWEI P40 Lite E, and let me show you how to activate Do Not Disturb mode on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select sounds, and here go to Do Not Disturb. And if you'd like to activate it right now, just tap on this switcher, and now it's active. Here you can locate the moon icon, which means that you are currently in DND mode. Then you can turn it off the same way, smoothly by tapping. If you'd like to schedule your DND mode, just tap on Scheduled, and now personalize it by tapping on repeat to pick the days. So let me choose custom days and select those that you would like to have it active, so it can be Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday and Sunday. Click on done and then pick the period of time once it's active, so it can be active between 11 and 7 AM next day. So let me go back, then you can turn it off the same way. Here you can also personalize your DND mode, so smoothly allow some interruptions. If you'd like to allow some calls, just click on calls and then pick from everyone, contacts only or favorite contacts only. Let me leave it this way. Then you can do the same thing from messages, so I will pick favorite contacts only as well. And finally you've got also repeat colors options. So once it's active, so as it is right now, somebody that is calling you for the second time within 3 minutes will be allowed, so you will receive this call. And also you can deactivate this option by tapping on the switcher. So this is it. You can also have a quick access to DND mode through the upper bar, smoothly slide it down, locate the DND mode icon, and if it's not here, just customize it and smoothly slide it up over here. Now it's here, and as you can see, just by tapping you can enable DND mode. Then you can deactivate it the same way, just slide down the upper bar and then click on the moon icon, and it's no longer active. So that would be all. This is how you can smoothly and easily activate, personalize and use DND mode. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.